Crash course on United Kingdom UK, day trips and excursions. Welcome to a crash course on day trips and excursions in the United Kingdom. While exploring the major cities, you'll have the opportunity to embark on exciting adventures to nearby attractions or even neighbouring countries. Let's share some interesting stories and examples to excite you, followed by a list and description of the top 12 attractions for day trips and excursions. One fascinating story is the mysterious Stonehenge. Located in Wiltshire, England, Stonehenge is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a marvel of ancient engineering. Its purpose and construction have intrigued scholars and visitors for centuries. Another example is the charming town of Stratford-upon-Avon, the birthplace of renowned playwright William Shakespeare. Here, you can immerse yourself in the rich history and literary legacy of the bard. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions for day trips and excursions in the United Kingdom. 1. The Cotswolds, England. Experience the idyllic English countryside, with picturesque villages, rolling hills, and charming tea rooms. 2. Loch Ness, Scotland. Embark on a journey to the legendary Loch Ness, known for its mythical creature, Nessie. Enjoy the stunning Scottish Highlands along the way. 3. The Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. Marvel at the unique hexagonal rock formations and breathtaking coastal scenery. 4. The Lake District, England. Discover the stunning landscapes of lakes, mountains, and charming villages that inspired many famous poets and writers. 5. The Isle of Skye, Scotland. Immerse yourself in the rugged beauty of this remote island, with its dramatic cliffs, fairy pools, and ancient castles. 6. Bath, England. Visit the historic city of Bath, known for its Roman baths, Georgian architecture, and the iconic Bath Abbey. 7. Cardiff, Wales. Explore the capital city of Wales, with its rich history, beautiful parks, and the impressive Cardiff Castle. 8. Blarney Castle, Ireland. Kiss the famous Blarney Stone and gain the gift of eloquence, then wander through the castle's enchanting gardens. 9. Oxford, England. Experience the scholarly ambience of Oxford, with its prestigious university, historic buildings, and tranquil riverside walks. 10. Cambridge, England. Discover the city of Cambridge, famous for its university, punting on the River Cam, and magnificent college buildings. 11. The Jurassic Coast, England. Uncover the wonders of the Jurassic Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its geological importance and breathtaking cliffs. 12. The Channel Islands, Jersey, Guernsey, Alderney, Sark, Herm. Escape to the picturesque Channel Islands, where you can enjoy beautiful beaches, outdoor activities, and a unique blend of British and French influences. These attractions offer a range of experiences, from natural beauty to cultural immersion, all within reach for a memorable day trip or excursion. In summary, the United Kingdom offers a plethora of opportunities for day trips and excursions. Whether you seek breathtaking landscapes, historical sites, or cultural experiences, there's something for everyone to enjoy. These adventures allow you to explore beyond the major cities and discover the diverse beauty of the United Kingdom. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Now, let's celebrate the joy of day trips and excursions in the United Kingdom with a poem. In the United Kingdom, a land so fair. Day trips and excursions, adventures to share. From the Cotswolds charm to Loch Ness might. The Giant's Causeway, a majestic sight. The Lake District's beauty, a poet's muse. The Isle of Skye, where legends infuse. Bath's Roman history and Cardiff's embrace. Blarney Castle's gift and Oxford's grace. Cambridge's riverside, a tranquil retreat. The Jurassic Coast's cliffs, where time's secrets meet. Channel Islands' serenity, a blend of two. These day trips and excursions, an adventure anew. So venture beyond the cities, explore and roam. Discover the wonders that make this land home. With each day trip, a story to be told. In the United Kingdom's beauty, a treasure to unfold. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.